Vertex PP Testing Laboratory LLP. We are happy to announce that now we have started PP testing lab in India, specific for fall from height products. Fall from height products like full body harness, lanyard, hooks, RFA, RGFA, and many more products. This lab is ISO 17025 accredited and well approved by our notified body or European counterpart. For further detail, will be given by our company managing director and our quality manager, Mr. Anmol Verma, regarding company infrastructure, advanced machines, technical staff, company vision, and most important, customer benefits. So, Mr. Anmol, please describe.
Yeah, sure. Hello, myself Anmol, and I am the quality manager and managing director of Vertex PP Testing Laboratory LLP. Our lab is ISO 17025 approved and well approved through our notified body as well. We are having a complete machines available with us to perform all the testing requirements as per the specific standards. We are having a complete scope to perform the testings on all kind of PPs as per the latest versions of the standards. We are having some machines, for example, horizontal tensile testing machine to perform some static test on harnesses, lanyards and other PPs. We are having a universal tensile machine available with us to perform gate resistance test or gate on the hooks, connectors, scaffold hooks and many more other metal products. We are having chambers available with us to perform some conditionings as per the specific environment requirement of this standard. We are having a salt spray chamber available with us to perform corrosion testings on the metal part. Moreover, we are also having available one dynamic test structure which is specifically designed to perform some dynamic tests on the harness, lanyard, energy absorber and other PPEs as well. And the dynamic structure basically ensures to all equipment is tested under real life conditions, and we make sure that PPE meets the required safety standards, and safety is not just a rule for us, it's a commitment. And also I would like to inform that now Indian manufacturers are going to get many benefits from our laboratory. That, for example, earlier our Indian manufacturers are required to send the products in European market to test and certify their products. Now there is no need to send the product to Europe for the testing. We can test all the products here in India in our premises. You can save your time, you can save your unnecessary courier cost as well. We are also having the competent staff available with us to perform all the tests on all kind of PPAs. Our vision is to support Indian manufacturers. We are planning to get BIS approval very soon and also working towards ANSA level testings in India. Our Indian manufacturers definitely reduce their dependency on foreign labs and will get the test results within a time frame from our India-based testing laboratory. This will definitely help to grow our Indian economy, because we want that Indian currency will circulate within India only. So this is our vision and definitely we are working towards it. So just send the products to us and we will test it here. Thank you very much.